The Arctic and Alaskan regions play a crucial part in the state of global climate. These two regions contain ice sheets that play a huge role in the state of temperature changes and the changes in raising or lowering of sea levels. The changes happening in this region of the world have a very large impact on large populations like New York City. With the increase of greenhouse gas emissions, these Arctic ice sheets are less effective at repelling the sun's radiation and cooling the earth. Change is right around the corner if something is not done. The recent predictions for the Arctic ice sheets are pretty grim and pose an immense threat as sea levels are projected to rise substantially. These rising sea levels will have a huge impact on places like New York City. The city is one of the top 10 for populations vulnerable to coastal flooding. The area is specifically susceptible because of the immensely high population density barely above sea level. The projected local sea level rise at Battery for the Battery in New York City is 1.9 to 6.3 feet by 2100. In the past, the city has set up flood barriers ahead of incoming tropical storms and hurricanes, but these will not be adequate for rising sea levels. As a response to climate change, the MTA has flooded subway terminals to test new gate system that would seal them off from flood waters. These preparations are a great start to combating future climate changes. Most changes like this will need to be tested in order to prepare for sea levels rising. Infrastructure like the subway system and building foundations will need to be adapted to the rising waters in order to keep the city ahead of the curve. The threat of this event occurring is too real to look past, and action needs to be taken before the climate is permanently altered.